Okay guys, here's my EDC pocket dump for today. In my left side pocket I got a business card holder for my business cards and just random cards and stuff from other people that I pick up. My EDC flashlight is the Ultrafire Cree flashlight. I think it's 300 lumen, or that's what it says it is anyway. It's one of those, I think it was like $3 or $4, something like that. Works good. Just a pen, wallet, and I do carry a Fresnel lens in here. Some chapstick, fingernail clipper, a cheap dollar store lighter, and my keys. I got a Streamlight Nano, keys, and then I got a Night Eyes doohickey. A punched out penny, which is pretty worn. Carried this for years. Medallion, some personal. And then I have been here probably for the last few months. I've been carrying this LA police gear. I think it's called a rendition or something. I'm going to do a review on this. But I've been carrying that if I'm not working. If I'm working, then I've been carrying this cheap Coast because I'm always scratching concrete and cleaning out cracks and stuff. And then if I'm working, I have the truck keys, and the only real thing on here, it's got a little carabiner. If I get keys from clients, I clip on there, and then a little paracord lanyard that I made, so they're easily found. Of course, my sunglasses and a watch. This particular one is an Armida. It depends from day to day what watch I have on. And then I have my paracord bracelet that I made with a ferro rod, and this one has a whistle. And that's all that's on that. One other thing that I always have with me is my water bottle carrier and the different stuff that I have in here. I have done a full review on this, so I'll put a link in the description on everything that I have in this. I may have added a few different things. I'll have to go through and see what I've kind of maybe added and subtracted since I did that video. But I will put a link in the description box below for this, so you can go check that out. This is pretty much with me everywhere I go. And that's pretty much it for it today, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Almost forgot, guys. Had it in on the charger, but I do carry my my phone, the Samsung S4. Carry that daily, and that's it.